So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to block contacts on your Duet dating app. So in order to block a user, you will need to get to them. So first off, go to Duet. If you've matched and started your conversations, you start chatting, but you see something that you think is undesirable, or if someone is bothering you, that's really important to remove them so you can block that profile so they won't bother you anymore within those messages. So on here, you can see your home, your likes, your messages, and me. Once you're logged in, go to your messages. You will see a list of your matches, messages, and so on. So you can see and recognize that contact that is disturbing you. And from that point, you can just go, and I'm just going to show you on this example through here. Click on that, go to the three dots at the very top right corner, and on here you can select report and block from the menu that's going to drop down. So choose a reason, add supporting evidence or screenshots if needed. So that's also really good if you have some supporting evidence, some reasons, so that when you block that person, Duet can also do that investigation into their profile if they're disturbing someone regularly, so they can block their access to the app, so you can make it a bit more safer for the entire community as well. So that's really great if you can apply that to your report, but you don't have to do that. You can just click on report and block. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Duet or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.